Welcome back. Today we're exploring a premium all-in-one cleaning robot built for homes that need strong suction, deep mopping, and full automation. This is the ECOVACS DEEBOT T80 Omni, a flagship robot vacuum and mop designed to deliver powerful cleaning performance with intelligent navigation and a fully self-maintaining system. If you want a cleaning robot that handles daily messes, carpets, hard floors, and pet hair effortlessly, this model is a major contender. Right away, the T80 Omni impresses with its 18,000 PA suction power, giving it the force needed to pull out deep debris, fine dust, and stubborn pet hair from carpets and floor crevices. Combined with the ZeroTangle 3.0 design, the robot significantly reduces hair wrapping around the brush, making it perfect for homes with pets or long hair. It keeps suction consistent and lowers maintenance time between cleanings. One of its standout features is the instant self-cleaning OZMO roller mop. This advanced mop system scrubs floors with strong, consistent pressure while constantly washing itself at the docking station during the cleaning run. This prevents dirty mop streaks and ensures a fresh, hygienic mop throughout the session. Hard floors come out looking cleaner and more polished with less manual effort. Another major highlight is TruEdge Deep Cleaning. Standard robot vacuums struggle with corners and tight edges, but the T80 Omni uses extended components and precision motion to reach deep into edges where dust collects. This results in more complete cleaning across the entire room, not just the visible open areas. Navigation is powered by advanced AI-driven mapping and obstacle avoidance. The robot identifies furniture, cables, shoes, toys, and unexpected objects with remarkable precision. Instead of bumping around or getting stuck, it smoothly adapts its path for a faster, more efficient clean. The intelligent mapping also lets you create room-by-room controls, no-go zones, schedules, suction settings, and mop intensity via the app. The Omni Station completes the hands-free experience by performing automatic washing, drying, emptying, and tank refilling. You don't have to touch the docking system for days or even weeks at a time. It keeps the mop pads clean, eliminates moisture odors, and maintains the dustbin automatically. For homes with pets, mixed flooring, or heavy daily traffic, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T80 Omni offers exceptional automation and cleaning quality. Its blend of strong suction, advanced mopping, and smart navigation makes it a top-tier robotic cleaning upgrade. Check out the Amazon link below for more details, and remember to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews.